welcome to my channel. The answer today my project is 7 segment display. Let's start the video. First, I made the basic connection A12 to positive, J12 to negative. The 7 segment has 7 parts in it. It is identified as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The center COM pin is connected with resistor to negative. The rest all the pin A30, A29, A27, A26, J30, J29, J27, J26 connected to positive to show the number 8. Now, if I want to show 1, then A29 and J30 is connected to positive. Rest will not be connected. That's all. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Ilya from Wiingy.